performing at the Phil Emmanuel concert, which is on the 7th of July at the Tivoli Theatre. Lots of great people going along to help this worthy cause. Madonna Guy's in the studio with me. We've been talking today about all things to do with the heart.
That's right.
And I know that heart disease is one of the biggest killers as we get older, 60s,
Yes.
70s, 80s. Is there anything that someone could do now, 20 and 30s, or even in their 40s, do to help not get that?
Absolutely. Start getting into your routine, exercise every day. We were never meant to be sedentary human beings, ever, ever, ever. Get your stress under control, whatever you need to do to get that, whether it's yoga, whether it's medication. I'm not talking medications, I'm talking finding solutions in your life that stop you from having to take the medications, because the medications long term, 20 years down the track, affect the heart. And how many kids these days are on anxiety drugs and antidepressant drugs? It's really quite amazing, the numbers we're talking about. So that's another thing. Eating those darn fruits and veggies. I know naturopaths go on about it all the time, but if we don't do it, we're not... You've heard the whole thing about the gut affecting the heart.
Yeah.
So basically there is a
take
massive
kombucha.
connection. Beautiful. Excellent. So there's so many things that we can do to increase the health of our diet. Don't think it's a waste of money. Don't think it's a waste of time. If you want to live a long, healthy life, look after your darn diet.
What there used to be an old saying, your body is a temple. Look after it like it is one.
Yeah.
And I know it's the same old story, but we've got so many preservatives and additives in all our food.
Absolutely.
You know, I just went off all sugar.
Yes.
And you would not believe, someone gave me a tiny bit of a bun from one of the fast food chains. It's full of sugar.
Yes,
The
absolutely.
bun is full of sugar. Look, we're talking about everything medical here today. Sharon's up very, very shortly talking to Aquamarine, and I'll be back with Madonna.